Alright guys, been a long day but successful. Only one thing I gotta figure out is to rewire the generator and the voltage regulator. I think I need to polarize them. That's the only thing I gotta do. But Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. We're gonna continue on working on the 66. As you can remember, I think I fried the distributor. Distributor showed up, so we're gonna install that. So let's see if we can get that in there and let's get it running. Alright, we're back. We put in the distributor in. What I'm gonna have to do is, this is right here. It's easy. It's got a rubber vacuum line there, so I'll just disconnect it, extend it with the rubber all the way down to here. So that'll be no problem. But we ran into a problem. I don't think this is going to work with this car. I think it uses the distributor as a ground, and this is a positive ground. So what we're gonna do is probably switch everything over, because yeah, we've been doing everything for a while now. It's been almost 3 weeks or so, and we're not getting any spark. We've tried everything. I've even tried setting up a separate battery to 12 volt, but I think it's mixing up the signal, because this is obviously, it uses the engine as a ground. So we're gonna switch everything over. So all right, today we're going to attempt to make this a negative ground, positive, you know, regular setup, positive, negative ground. We got to do a step with the voltage regulator. We got to do a step with the generator, and that's about it. And then rewire, I think, the RPM gauge. And then just all you got to do is, we already bought a battery with the post switched over, the positive on that side, negative on this side. So you just hook up the negative with the negative, positive with positive, just like it was, and the car should work the way it should. It's just better that way. We're gonna do it that way because right now we are dead in the water. We can't get it to run, so we're gonna put it conventional. Screw Lucas wiring. So yep. So I got everything right here. Positive to negative ground conversion from spritespot.com. So we're gonna go step by step, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I think we just did it. We converted it. As you can see, negative right there to negative on the battery, positive on this side now. Goes to the starter solenoid, and we got spark now. We are in effing business. Go ahead and crank it. Let's see if we can see the spark.
These two people to do it.
Yeah.
But I'd rather pay him the same thing. So that way he gets help, I can help him out.
There you go.
There it goes.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. Hammed up. Nice.
Yeah.
Dang, that idled for a while. Turn off the fuel now.
Yeah. Let's see. That's 1, 3, 4, 2. Yeah. So let me advance it
A little bit.
Yeah,
And it's got a brand new distributor, electronic.
Yeah, electronic distributor.
You can Mickey Mouse the what is it called, the little fucking vacuum advance too.
Ah.
I saw how to do it.
Turn the fuel back on.
Alright. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That sounds great.
Hell yeah, it's running again. Yoo-hoo! About right there. I'll tighten it up.
That sounds good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, that sounds good. The motor's not even like noisy at all.
Not running since 1983.
Yeah, there's like no ticking, no nothing, dude. No smoke.
Little motorcycle motor. That's a 1100cc right there.
Put a fucking Hayabusa in here, dude. 1300, 1600.
Imagine.
Nice.
Got it back to life, bro. Me and him, we were so bummed, bro.
Oh, I bet.
We were bummed. We're like, dude, what did we do? All we did was do a tune-up.
And how long was this sitting here? Like a couple weeks?
No,
A month and a half.
Oh, wow.
We would have probably been done with it already.
Look at that thing, dude.
Bobby's like, just start getting that list ready.
Yeah.
Start rebuilding those parts. Got a brand new distributor and everything.
Yeah, I disconnected it.
I think
Sweet.
That
That's
wire,
tight.
That wire.
We got her back up running again. We put the gas tank back in. Hooked up the fuel pump. Switched the wiring around. So now it works. Filled it up with about 4 gallons. 2 of those. No leaks. So now we're gonna prime it. See if any gas comes out of that line right there. Let's check it out. Alright, we're gonna see what comes out of the lines. We hooked up the
Turn it
pump.
on?
Yeah. Alright, we don't know what's wrong with the original fuel pump. We'll probably change it to this one because this one works perfect. So let me hook up the battery and see what comes out of this thing. There it goes. Yeah, fuel line's dirty. There we go. Now it's starting to come out clear. So we hooked up everything. I know I don't have a filter. I know, but I know the fuel tank is clean. We're gonna put a filter in it. We're gonna get new fuel line. We gotta get new fuel line for the fuel pump. Seems to be running okay, but it starts on all on its own. Nah, I think running that fuel pump, I don't think makes it run pretty good. There we go. There we go. Runs pretty good. Running on its own fuel pump and everything. Got that performance exhaust. No smoke, no nothing. Runs pretty good. We're gonna have to rewire the RPM gauge. But the headlights work. Runs on her own. Been a long day, but successful. Only one thing I gotta figure out is to rewire the generator and the voltage regulator. I think I need to polarize them. That's the only thing I got to do, but I just wanted to see if this thing ran with that new distributor. It's got electronic ignition now. Then I got to get a vacuum hose, disconnect it from there, and then run it to the distributor. And then actually clean up all this wiring too. It's not going to stay like that. But today was very, very successful. Alright, that's going to end this video on the 66 Austin Healey. She's running again. We got her running again. It was really, for about a month I think now. I've been rattling my brain, everything. So the best thing to do was, let's go negative ground, positive, you know, normal. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share it, comment down below, and best of all, subscribe to this channel. So until next time, talk to you later.